Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Whoever you want it to be. Happy birthday to you. G'day, my name's Ben. As you can probably tell, I'm Australian. In today's lesson, we're going to look at Happy Birthday, probably the most famous song in the world, it would be. This is a lesson for absolute beginners who have just started to learn the guitar. It can also be transferred to the ukulele as well, the shapes that I'll be showing you today. So we're going to start with the first chord, which on the guitar is a G chord, but we're going to use a simple G chord. If you're a little bit more advanced, you've already learnt the full G chord, you can use that. So our first chord on the guitar is G, and then what we're going to do is use our first finger here. Our third finger, number 3. And it's going to go on the 3rd fret on our string number 1. And all we're doing here is we're going to be actually just strumming the bottom 3 strings on the guitar. Alright? Now, this is what I call an easy G chord, because it's just one finger chord. What we're going to do now is we also need our reference note for our singing, and that's going to be string number 4. Open string number 4. This one here, which is our D note. So we're singing this song or playing this song in the key of G, and our starting note is D. Alright, that's for the technically savvy ones out there. So pitch that with your voice. Hopefully you can get that. And we're going to be going Happy birthday. So notice how I strum down on birthday. Alright, happy birthday to. The next chord on the guitar is our D chord. So this one's obviously a little bit more advanced than the one finger G chord. We're using 3 fingers here. Finger 1 is on the 2nd fret of string number 3. Finger 2 is on the 1st fret number 2, string 1. So they're squeezing like that. And our 3rd finger is on string number 2 in the 3rd fret. So really get familiar, practice that shape until your fingers remember where to go. It's muscle memory. It's all about repetition. So another quick tip to change between our first chord and our second chord is lead with that 3rd finger, place it then, and lead, and then follow through with the other 2 fingers behind it. I'll be doing more lessons on great tips and exercises to use to learn how to change chords better as we go. So we got G chord into a D chord. So now let's see what that looks like with our song. Happy birthday to. Change to the D chord on you. And then for the next section we go happy birthday, hold the D chord, keep the D chord, and then back to the G chord for you. So it's like this. Happy, so get a reference note, string number 4. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. So what I've done there is I've gone to this first fret on our first string to play a G7 chord. That's a little bit technical, I know, it sounds weird, that chord. It's kind of like, we use it like a kind of a leading chord into our next position. Now G7 into our C chord. Now this is the one finger easy C chord. If you're a little bit more advanced, welcome to play your full C chord here. So we've got C chord is first fret of our second string. So all we're really doing is lifting up from the G7 here, which I've played is just as a first finger on the first fret of the first string, and then just shifted it up to the second string. All right, so far we've got our reference note. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Whoever you want it to be. Oh, with the C. So see how it happy birthday, dear. The name of the person. Then from there we go back to happy birthday, back to our G, day, to the D for two, and then back to the G for you. Okay, so quickly run through that again. Reference note. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Whoever you want it to be. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hope you enjoyed that lesson. That's how to sing and play Happy Birthday at the same time, which I would like to think that that's one of the very first songs that is your goal on how to learn how to sing and play on the guitar. All right, see you next time.